Hello.
Hi again. I'm here and ready to help with whatever you need, whether it's a question, a task, or just a chat. What can I do for you?
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm learning English speaking, so I want to discuss with you proactive and reactive different.
Absolutely. Of course. So, being proactive basically means taking initiative, anticipating problems, and acting ahead of time, right? Whereas being reactive is more about responding to events after they've happened. What examples did you have in mind?
Right. So basically, means I want to apply this thing in my English speaking learning. So because I notice I'm not a proactive learner because I wait for the problem and then I start learning English. So how I can be a proactive learner instead of a reactive learner.
That's a really great insight. I think a proactive approach could be setting small daily goals, like practicing a certain number of new words or having a short conversation each day, even before you feel a problem coming on. You could also watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or keep a journal in English so that you're building habits ahead of time. What do you think?
Yeah, right. I think that is the great idea, but means in the ground level, I was not able to execute it properly. I decided I will try to speak with you on daily basis for 5 to 10 minutes, but
Ah, I
I
see what
was
you mean.
not able to speak. I mean, I was not consistent on that, so means that is not helping to improve my English. So I think this is the reactive approach because I'm waiting for the problem, because if I will not learn communication properly, I cannot crack the interview, and it will be creating a issue, and then I will think like I need to improve my communication. So I think I need to follow the proactive approach to learn the English speaking, right?
Exactly, you've got it. So the key is building a small daily routine you stick to, even if it's just 10 minutes, but make it non negotiable. You could set reminders or maybe even record yourself and track progress. And if possible, try to get a language partner or join a group so it's more active and engaging. That way, you're staying ahead before the pressure builds up.
Yeah, thanks so much for this guidance. Can you be my English speaking teacher when I speak with you? So become my teacher, advise me, or become my partner, advise me how I can improve, find my mistakes, and give me a guidance how I can overcome from those problem, or how you advise me on the planning on a proactive basis.
I'd love to. Absolutely. I can be your English speaking partner and guide. Whenever you practice, I'll listen, give you feedback, and help you refine your skills, whether it's pronunciation, grammar, or just fluency. So, anytime you're ready to practice, we'll get started.
Yes, so we can discuss on the same topic, reactive and proactive approach on the communication, how it can improve our communication skill.
That sounds great. So let's break it down. If we're being proactive in communication, we're preparing ahead, like practicing how we'll express ideas, anticipating what we might say, and choosing the right words. On the other hand, if we're reactive, we might just respond in the moment, which can cause us to hesitate or get stuck. So, a proactive approach might be, for example, preparing some phrases in advance or practicing common interview questions. Does that make sense so far?
Yes, I think, yeah, we need to follow the proactive approach to improve the communication, because if we wait for the issue, then it will be create another issue, and that is not good. It will take time, it will consume more energy, and then it might create more issue if we follow the reactive approach, right? What do you think?
Exactly. You've got a really good point. When we're proactive, we're not just avoiding last minute stress, but we're also building confidence. We can anticipate challenges, practice responses, and even get comfortable with a new vocabulary. So if you keep a steady routine, I think you'll see a big improvement over time.
Okay, so what plan I have to make to keep my routine consistent? How I can be more proactive? How I can follow more proactive approach? How I can plan better? So I don't need to wait for the reactive response.
Yeah, great question. So I'd say first set a fixed time each day, like a 10 or 15-minute slot when you'll practice speaking, no excuses. Then create a simple plan. Maybe one day focus on pronunciation, another on vocabulary, and another on mock conversations. Keep it flexible but structured. And if you can, track your progress, like writing down new words or recording yourself so you can see how far you've come. Does that
Uh,
sound doable for you?
yeah, that's great. Can you help me on that? Like, can you track my progress? How I'm doing better and which day I miss and which day I was not consistent because I will talk to you every day as my partner, speaking partner. So I think you can track me better and you can guide me as a instructor. What do you think?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to do that. Each time we talk, I'll check in on your daily practice. If you missed a day, we'll figure out what got in the way. And if you're doing well, we'll celebrate that progress and build on it. So let's make this a daily habit, and I'll keep you on track.
Okay, so do one more thing. So give me the outcome on a weekly basis if I miss some day, and then we will track on a monthly and yearly basis. But first I want to track on a weekly basis which day I have not practices and which day I have practices. So in that way I think that will be great. And what are the mistake I have done and which area I need to focus. So if you can guide me on this and you can give me the suggestion, then I think it would be great for me.
Yes, definitely. I can do that. Every week, I'll give you a summary of which days you practiced, which days you missed, and the specific areas where you had mistakes, like grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. Then I'll give you focused suggestions for the next week. After we get that rhythm going, we'll expand to monthly and yearly reviews. I'm excited to help you stay on track.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. And I think I need to complete the conversation with you. I will talk to you later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad I could help. Take care, and whenever you're ready to continue, I'll be here.